What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to Big Money Mindset YouTube channel. I have absolutely amazing news for you guys today. We have two new price targets in for the NIO stock. I'm going to be showing you guys the headlines. There's a lot of good things happening for NIO. I believe it is only getting started for the years to come. We're going to take a look into the charts. We're going to take a look into my call options, and I'm going to show you guys what Rocketfuel looks like. And it looks like the Rocketfuel just continues to get bigger and bigger each and every day with NIO. And we'll get into the video, and we'll show why NIO has such great upside potential for all these years to come. Let's get into it. Guys, we have been waiting for Monday morning to open up just to see what would happen with the NIO stock. And we actually hit an all-time high today, guys. This stock clipped nearly $66 range earlier this morning, right around 9:30, and right now we're hovering around $64.40. My call options that I've been recommending to all of my Patreon users right now, guys, we have hit a 11x, as you can see, 1,111% gain, guys. We held through all of the nonsense, the delisting, the dilution. Over 500 people got this exact call as soon as I bought it. These are $22 calls, guys. These are going for nearly $4,200 a piece. That's what it's all about. Being patient with your call options and letting the good companies take its course. I want you guys to understand, I do a call option listing every Sunday. I just put out the new update last night. There is over 26 companies that I'm recommending right now, and I'm buying into like 10 of them. A lot of those call options that I'm in right now, I'm playing them just like the NIO calls. I'm getting in early, waiting for these companies to break out. I'm looking for my next 10x, and I want you guys in on my next 10x. I'm telling you, it is going to happen. I'm well diversified into multiple companies, APXT, BFT, Open Door, Nano Dimensions. Guys, there's a ton of companies I'm recommending right now, and I'm going to put you guys on the best call option available. I want you guys to know a 10x is possible with call options. This was a less than a $2,000 investment. This is worth nearly 21 grand right now. It's all about timing in the stock market, and I just want you guys to see, I think NIO has a long way to go. We're going to take a look at these headlines, and I want to show you guys these bullish price targets that are coming out that just is setting us up for success for the years to come with the NIO stock. CICC raises price target by 42% to $85. Just to give you a brief on who CICC is, this is the China International Capital Corporation. CICC wins Most Honored Companies in Bank Sector, again, an Institutional Investor 2019 All Asia Executive Team Awards. So guys, this is a highly recommended investing banking firm, in the China community. So I just want you guys to understand that this is a very bullish price target coming out right now as we speak. NIO's NIO Autonomous Driving demonstrates leading autonomous driving capabilities, and the ET7 sedan demonstrates excellent product strength and price competitiveness, resulting in a 42% price target increase to $85, corresponding to 44% upside according to CICC, a top Chinese investment bank, in a report released on Monday. On January 9th, NIO held the NIO Day 2020 event to unveil the new NIO sedan ET7 NAD and a 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack, as well as a subscription-based charging model for autonomous driving services. Guys, we know that the ET7 is going to be mass marketed in 2022, a price point of right around $69,000. With subsidized, it's going to be dropped much lower. This has an amazing battery pack on it. I mean, these things go for ever. From what we're hearing, NIO is going to be the leader in autonomous driving for the years to come, guys. The technology that they have is amazing. They're partnered with NVIDIA, Qualcomm. The list just goes on. It's only getting started. I know a lot of people were looking for an entry price on NIO, last Friday and Monday. It just looks like it's not happening quite yet, but we may see a small buying opportunity later on in the week, so just stay on the lookout. But just know, I am recommending in my Patreon VIP group to go long as possible, as long as you can afford. There's a lot of upside with NIO in the years to come. We're going to look at another bullish price target, as you can see in the thumbnail of the YouTube video. This is a big one, guys. NIO surges to fresh records following JP Morgan bull note. The equity has gained over 2,000% in the last 9 months. NIO is just on a tear right now, guys. And we can see right now The shares in NEO are trading at record levels this morning, up 10.6%, $65.15 after earlier touching an all-time high of $66.99. The surge comes after the Tesla rival received a price target hike from JP Morgan Securities to $75 from $50. The firm noted several strategic milestones driving the bull note. Guys, this is coming from Schaefer's Investment Research right now. The digital content manager announced this earlier today around 11 a.m. This is around 2 hours ago. So this is pretty hot news right now. And just know that JP Morgan is a massive company, putting their reputation on the line once again, moving their price target up from that $50 range. It has taken a little while because of all these delisting and dilution headlines, but just know NEO is just getting started right now. There's no telling how far this company could go for the years to come. We know that they hit a 7,000 vehicle production last month. I am predicting a bullish volume increase. We should see that $8,000 to $9,000 range once the end of January comes, so be on the lookout for them. Once again, we'll take a look at the NEO chart and see what kind of bullish price targets we can have. And I'll also give you guys some call option recommendations if you want to go long on this one. Once again, guys, a 10x investment is definitely possible on call options when you time them accordingly. This was listed to over 500 users inside of my Patreon right now, guys. We've grown to over 1,000 users. I want everyone to experience that Rocketfuel this year. There's so much opportunity inside of the market, and I'm just waiting for these companies to take off, just like the NEO stock has, as we're seeing right now. If you did watch my last NEO video, you know I gave a very bullish price target. I'm talking the absolute most bullish price target possible if NEO does everything right. We should see that $200 range if sales continue to grow rapidly for the next 12 months. So that's my price target. $200 by New Year's. I did give a price target post NEO day of the $70 range. We hit around $66, $67. So I was very close, nearly $3 off this Monday, after the NEO day was completed. So I did give that bullish price target, and a lot of people thought I was crazy, but we did almost hit that $70 range. So guys, I'm very on point with these price targets. Once again, I'm giving out a lot of price targets inside of my Patreon. There's a lot of Rocketfuel building up right now, and I'm very excited for the future. I got the call options up right now on the NEO stock, and we're just going to take a look at some of these options to see what they have right now. These are going up rapidly. 2 videos ago, I was recommending May calls for people to enter. This is a midterm call. Gives you about 5 months for some price action. So I do expect this to be a very solid call. We'll take a look at the Mays real quick. Guys, these have gone up drastically since last Friday. I mean, we're seeing a $3 increase on the call just this week. This is just what's happening to NEO. I'm sad to say the call options are getting very expensive for those later calls, mid-year. These are nearly $1,600 right now for the $60 call. So there is a high investment you need to get in on these longer calls that are much safer than the shorter term calls. But just know there is a lot of upside in the NEO stock, for 5 months out. There's no telling how high this one could go. I mean, these already have 7,000 open interest, so a lot of people are playing these right now. But if you do want lower investment, of cheaper price call options, I have a ton listed right now with a lot of other companies that I like and that I am invested in as well. And these calls are much cheaper, 4 times cheaper to be exact than some of these calls for NEO. So there is a ton of other upside out there. I don't want you guys to think that NEO is the only call option you need to be playing. There is a ton of other calls. I also just posted this last night, giving people a little outlook on what's in the Patreon. I was just showing people some of the highlights. What companies and options have been treating you the best? I was asking a couple of people inside of the Patreon, percentages in dollars. NEO 110%, SBE 300%, Fuel Cell NEO biggest gain of the year, Cellulose 650%, was up 950% on NEO option, Plug 850%. Guys, the list just goes on right now. Up 600% on Plug, 90% NEO. Let's see, Block, 5,000% gain. This guy killed it. NEO already up 90%. Open Door up $1,000. NEO up 140%. Nano Dimensions up 48%. So guys, there's a ton of opportunity right now inside of the Patreon. I have a ton of call options listed for you. You guys need to be getting in on it if you want to take your call options trading to the next level. We diversify like crazy to limit our risk, and I'm just waiting for a lot of these companies to boil up. So I'm really excited for the 2021 year. there's a lot of opportunity waiting. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing this video for you. NIO is continuing to get multiple buy ratings, price target increases. I'm very excited for what the future holds. I'm going to continue to give you guys all of the breaking news left and right as soon as it comes out. And only if this video gave you a better insight on the NIO stock, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be keeping you updated daily with all the growth stocks and spec plays. There's going to be a lot of great information coming out and you don't want to miss it. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. You have a great day.